to guess the logo. Don't forget to subscribe. 20 questions, but 10 seconds, guys. What is this called? It's called KFC. What is this called? It's called McDonald's. What is this called? Oh, you guys get 10 extra seconds. Because that didn't work. You saw it at 5 seconds at first. It's called YouTube. You like YouTube, right? I'm using it right now. What is this app called? You might have known. It's called SoundCloud. That was pretty cool how you saw like, whoop. What's this app called? I'm pretty sure no one does this app on their Guess the Logo. But it's actually called Soundtrap. I've used this app before. What's this app called? You would definitely just shout it out. Like, you would shout like this. The answer is Netflix! That's what you would shout out like. What's this one? Ooh. Can't see it. It's Disney Plus. What's 1 plus 1? 2. Yeah, Disney Plus. What's this one? Ooh, tricky. Panties are icky. It's Hulu. Oh, I could go on my hula hoop. Hulu hoop. What is this? Ah! It's Tubi. Two with an E in it. Tubi. What is this called? It's called Burger King, guys. Like the burger is a king. What is this app called? You could shout it out. I don't even know. What's in your home or something, so you could shout it. It's Instagram. If you like that app, if you like any apps, tell me in the comments. Oh, what's this app called? It's TikTok. Ooh, I could sell. Well, but what is this app called? Green. It's green. Whoa. I pretty like the background. It's WhatsApp. What's this? I would say it is Spotify. What is this app called? It's called Snapchat. What's this app called? I'm waiting. The timer's done. It's called Starbucks. I just need to get some bucks. What's this app called? Ooh. There's 2 ways to say it. Even if you say it a different way, you still got it right. It's Google Play or Play Store. But what is this app called? It's called YouTube Shorts. Or Shorts. What is this app called? It's called CapCut. Now, the mystery. We're waiting for the mystery. Wait for it. Wait for it. Just wait. 2, 1. Krister's channel! And then, but we still have to get 1K subscribers. If you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Or if you're on guest mode, go on your account and then subscribe. Bye, everyone. See you on the next video.